John is busy at his home. John is smiling at me. John is looking at me. John is looking at the crowd. John is grinning at me. John is staring at me. John is waving at me. John is shouting at me. John is yelling at me. John is guessing at the answer. John is rushing at me. John nibbled at the sandwich. John is good at English. John is clever at games. John is skilled at games. John is hopeless at his result. John is a genius at maths. John is busy at work. John is impatient at the delay. John is angry at the delay. John is vexed at the delay. John is upset at the delay. John is irritated at the delay. John is annoyed at the delay. John is depressed at the delay. John is amused at the party. John is puzzled at the results. John is delighted at the exam result. John is dejected at the exam result. John is vexed at his marks. John is throwing stones at the pond. John is studying at dusk. John is coming here at noon. John is studying at dawn. John is studying at night. John is at the concert now. John is at the match now. John is at risk now. At the end of the street. At the airport. At the corner of the street. John is waiting at the end of the street. John is waiting at the airport. John is sitting at the corner of the street. At the side door. At home. At school. John is sitting at the side door. John is studying at home. John is studying at school. At theater. At the bakery. At the end of the holiday. John is watching a movie at the theater. John is speaking to Jessica at the bakery. John will go to the barber shop at the end of the holiday. At the weekend. At night. At 50. John will go to the barber shop at the weekend. John usually watches stars at night. John will retire at 50. John will marry at 28. John came here at the age of 55. At the hole. At the half rate. At the first attempt. John is aiming the ball at the hole. John bought the book at the half rate. John passed the driving test at the first attempt. At 1 hour intervals. At the dinner. At his invitation. John sees the medical reports at 1 hour intervals. John is at the dinner with my friends. John has come here at Pooja's invitation.